Okay, here's another photo body and paint restoration project on the 99 Road King. I keep calling him Road Queen. I got the front fender off. I got the gas tank off. Show you over here what I'm doing. I don't know where that Miller Lite beer came from. Got some damage over here on the tank. Hopefully it's picking this up. That dent right there is under 1/8 of an inch deep, so I'm not gonna mess with that. But I gotta save these factory decals. We got some factory paint coming. Fix these little dents, paint the stripes back on. My front fender. It's got half a dozen little dents in them. I don't know if it's showing. Then it's got a good sized one back here. So right now I'm just hanging around. It's after 5 o'clock. Stripping it down. Enjoying some beautiful weather here in Tennessee. 70 degrees, going to be near 80s during this week. So sadly, I'm not going to have any paint for this till like the end of April when the paint's going to show up. It's a Patriot Red, I think it was. No, that was my Fat Boys Patriot Red. Laser Red. Anyway, that's as far as I'm going today. Pick this up tomorrow, and hopefully by tomorrow night this will be done and put in primer, waiting for the paint to show up. That's it. Okay, I'm getting ready to prime this restoration paint job, going back to factory. Got the gas tank repaired, taped off where it needs to be. This front fender has been painted 5 different times and appears to have been done that way at the factory. It has no appearance of it ever been taken apart. And being in this business over 50 years, I've seen this a bunch of times. Somebody will keep kicking it and they keep running them back through. So anyway, we're going to put some primer on it. This side here is fine. Got a beautiful 80 degree day here in Tennessee. So I'm going to spray some primer on here. And then hopefully by the end of April, another bike will be coming in and the paint for this will be coming. Paint for this bike, by the way, was $789 for a quart. Just of the base coat, nothing else. That's today's world. All right, that's part 1 of the restoration is done. That's as far as it's going to go until the bike comes down with the paint for this motorcycle, which should be the end of April. So these are done for now. Till that time comes. And again, this is just a restoration back to factory original. Once again, to blend this in, airbrush these stripes back. I saved the factory decal. That's it for now. What are we doing, Smiley? Okay, today's Monday, March 24th. Getting back on the old Road King here, and we've got a little update to the project. I mentioned the other day how terrible these looked, so we're going to actually color match these to the bike. And then over here, I'm going to prep these for paint. The tank is ready to get prepped, saving the original Harley Davidson decal. And I'll have to airbrush these stripes in where they've been damaged. Front fender is ready to go. And the paint showing up today. So it's about a month early. That's fantastic. Tomorrow's going to be about 74 degrees, so tomorrow's the big day. It's going to get blasted. All right, I'm going to get after it, and I'll show you when I have them all prepped up, ready to go. Okay, I got carried away. I forgot that I was supposed to be filming this. tank is based out. That's as far as that's going to go. I got to do the stripes. That's tomorrow. This fender is ready to go. I'm going to give it about another 5 minutes dry time. I'm going to clear it. Hope I'm not too wiggly. So that's it. I'll be back after I clear the fender. I'm going to move that gas tank. Okay, just got done clearing the fender a few minutes ago. Cleaned up my spray equipment over here. Got the lower legs painted. That looks pretty cool. Front fender is completely done. A couple of little teeny pieces of dirt in it. That's about it. It came out fantastic. Considering I don't have a spray booth. And the tank is in base coat. We'll let that sit overnight. Tomorrow I'll shoot a coat of Intercoat clear over that and then airbrush the stripes back in. I got a silver and orange stripe I gotta put back in here. So tomorrow this should be completed. All right, that's an update. Okay, I'm getting ready to put the orange stripe on the tank. I've laid out all the stripes. Actually found some actual Harley Davidson orange touch-up paint. Got my airbrush out. I'm just going to do this live. Here we go. Try not to get my head in front of the camera. Difficult. All right, I'm going to let that dry for a minute, give it another coat, and then I'll come back and do the silver. Okay, I just got done taping out the orange and sprayed the silver stripe. So I'm going to let that sit for a few moments and strip the tank down, get rid of all the fine line, and get ready for clear coat. That's the next step. Okay, I've got all the tape stripped off, papers are off, stripes are on. I saved the factory decal. Fixed the damage around the decal and taped it all off. Now we're going to mix up some clear coat, clean this area up, and spray the clear. And that's the last step. All right, time to get to clear coat. Okay, here's the finished product. You'll never be able to tell that was damaged. That was the whole point, and saved the original decal. There's another one in the books. All right, that's how it's done.